Hello,
Yes,
good
miss.
afternoon,
Yes,
everyone.
miss.
This is our 12th lecture of digital circuit and fundamental of microprocessor. Till now, we have completed the two units, that is a number system, logic gates, flip-flops, and combinational circuit. Now, this is the last part of the combinational circuit, that is the code converter. Now, code converter means what? It is very important aspect in the digital system. Digital system has to be a secured, so whatever the data we transmit through the wire, through the air, that should be a coded. So they use the different techniques to code the things. So now there are the, we can see the four techniques for the code converter. One is BCD to access 3, these are the number system, and access 3 to BCD. Second is BCD to gray or gray to BCD. There can be a binary to gray also, gray to binary. These are the examples you have to do in your the project based assignment I'm going to give you. Now we'll see that what is a code converter exactly. The code converter means your original number has to convert into the different number. You can, with that different number, you can find the equation and you design the circuit and you transmit the data from the transmitter. At the receiver, you receive the data and decoded that data, and whatever the original data, it should give it to the output system. So that is the use of the code converter. Now first we'll see the code converter of BCD to XS3. Now BCD, we know that the pattern of 8, 4, 2, 1. This is 1, this is 2, this is 4, and this is 8 as it is. And BCD number is what? This is a till 9, right? Then after, it won't access the BCD number. It is just the till 9, your BCD number. Now this BCD number is converted into the access 3. Access 3 means your 0 plus 3. This is your 0 bit, right? It is 0 0 0 0. This will represent as a 3, right? So 0 plus 3, whatever the data you will get, that will be the 0 data of access 3. Access 3 means BCD number is added with 3, and whatever the result comes, that result is which represent the original BCD number, and this will represent the access 3 number, right? So have you understood this, the access 3 number? Now this is your BCD 1 number 0001. So now BCD 1 plus 3, it comes the 4. So now what is your represented BCD 1? BCD 1 is represent in axis 3 is 4. That is 0100, right? So each and every number of the BCD is converted into the axis 3 number. So this is the truth table of conversion of number, right? This is your 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So it will convert into the 5, that is 0101. This is your 3. 3 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus, sorry, this is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, that is 0110. This is your 4. 4 plus 3 is 7, so 011. This is your 5. 5 plus 3 is 8, so 8 is what? 1000. This is your number is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9, so 1001. This is your number is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10, so 10 is, this is 1010. This number is your 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1011. This number is the 9 number. So 101. 9 plus 3 is 12. So what is 1100? This represent the 8. This represent the 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. So this is 1 1. Rest all are the number is don't care. It will not take, because these are the BCD number. If it would have been binary number, so hold the number till ff will continue into the excess number. So this is only the BCD number, it will take only the till ninth number, right? So this is our truth table. So we have to design a fifth this K-map by using this output. This will be the input A, B, C, D and W, X, Y, Z, because we are converting. This is a BCD is a input. We are converting into the axis 3. So axis 3 digits are the output. Those are the digit are output that is filled inside the K map, and those are the digits are in input that will be the outside of the K map. So your equation will be in term of W is equals to something A, B, C, D. Your equation will be X is equals to something this. Your equation will be the Y is equals to this, and equation your Z is equals to this. So A, B, C, D are the input, X, Y, Z are the output. Now we'll see the designing of K-map. This is very simple 4-bit of a K-map, right? So now this is A, B, C, D, right? So AB 0000 0001 0010 and 0011. So how we will represent here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, right? So this way we represent the K map. Now whatever the data of Y, W, that will be filled into the K map. So what is the data of W? What it is reproduced there, we'll see into the previous slides, right? Now see the W. W is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 will represent at what? 0, 1, 0, 1. We'll see. 1 will represent 0, 1, 0, 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1. W. This is a W, right? So 1 will represent 0, 1, 0, 1. 1 here. Then 0, 1, 1, 0 is also 1. We'll see from here to till 9 all are 1 and rest all are the don't care. So we'll see here from this all are 1, right, and rest all are don't care. Now we have seen that how we will join the this um, minimize the equation. Now this all are don't care, so we can minimize this all 8 bits, right? All this, because don't care, it can be a 0, it can be a 1. So this block will minimize the max 8 numbers in together, right? So what is this? What it will same? This pink color, it is same, only the A, B will change from 0 to 1, and rest C and D will change of all the bits, right? So only the answer of this pink color 8 bits are A, right? Now this is the 4 bit. Again this can be a 4 bit, right? If it would have the uh, don't care here, so this would have been a 8 bit, right? But it doesn't have anything, so maximum these are the 4 bit and this is also the 4 bit, right? So for this 4 bit, it is the change of A is change, B is same, and C is same, and D is change. So what would be the answer of this? B, C. So second bit is B and C. Now the third, we can see that this block, this, right? Here is also the B is common, but C is change and D is same. So what we can say that BD. So what is our W is equals to A plus BC plus BD, right? These equations will form in W. W is a MSB bit of axis 3. Now the next is what? Next is what? There, x. X is what? First term is all 0 are the 0. Second, 1, 2, 3, 4 are 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see. First bit is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 are 0. Right, 1. And then 5, 6, 7, 8 are 0. 5, 6, 7 are 0. Then 8 is 8 and 9 is 1, and don't care rest. So now 8, 8, 9 and rest all are the don't care, right? So now how we will do it these things? This is, if it would have anything is here, this is 0, 8 is 0, 9 is 1, right? 8 is 0, 9 is 1. If 1 is here, then we can make one group here of 8 bit, but it is not there. So we can minimize these 4 with mapping with these 4, right? In a reverse direction. These 4 is mapping with these 4. So if we are combining these two, the first row and the second row of this column, this one column and this one, what is the same is here? A is changing, A is 0, here is 1. B complement will be there, right? B is 0. So B complement plus here we can see C is changing plus D is there. So what bit we will get from these 4 and these 4 combined in a pink color of this? So B complement D. So B complement D. This is your first bit. If I'm taking these 4 and these 4, again the B complement will be the same. But what is it is? It is a C only. So the B complement C, and this is B complement D. Now this bit we can say that if it would have a don't care here, so we can combine these two, this 8, but it is not there. It is not here also. So we'll have to combine these two bit, that is a 1 0. Now, if you are taking these two bit, A is changed for both, but B is constant. So the B and C complement and D complement will be there. So the B, C complement and D complement, right? So you understood this. This is our X, right? Next bit. So next bit is Y. Y is what? 1001. We take only the first. 1001, right? This is 0, 1, 2, 3. So the 1001. Now next is what? Again 1001. 1001. Now next is what there? 1 0, don't care, right? Then 1 0, don't care. Now we can see that it's just the 4 bits are here, these two. If I'm taking these two, all A and B are changing for all the bits, but only C and D, C complement and D complement are constant for this complete bit. So the what is the answer for this? So it is C complement and D complement. The same as here, the A and B are changing for all the bits, only C and D are constant. So what is Y is equals to CD plus C complement D complement, right? Now in A, if we are taking a Z, so 10, 10, 10, 10, and don't care. So this is 10, 10, 10, 10, don't care. So what this will combine the 8, this direction and this direction, right? If I'm taking this A and B are changing for all the bits. And if I'm taking comparing these two columns, so C is 0 here, C is 1 here. So C is also changing. Only the D complement will constant 0 0. So what is Z is equals to D complement. So what we got here? We got the logic equations here, right? On this logic equation, we have to design a logic circuit by using a gates, right? So if it is a complement, we'll have to use the not gate as we have seen earlier. If it is a dot, we'll have to use the and gate. If it is a plus sign, means we'll have to use in between the or gate. So we'll design this circuit as it is. Now we'll see. So W is equals to A plus BC plus BD. X is equals to B complement C plus D complement D plus B C complement D complement. This denoted by the complement. Y is equals to CD plus C complement D, and Z is equals to D, right? So these A, B, C, D are the input. Now these are the A, B, C, D. Now, suppose if I want the Z, so what is my Z? Z is just the D complement. So what is here? Only the NOT gate. So what we will get? Z is equals to D complement, right? If I'll take the CD plus C complement and D complement, right? So what is this is? This is the CD, right? And this is CD, and this is CD plus. It is OR gate is plus, means De Morgan's theorem, it is a CD complement, right? The CD complement and CD is ANDing. What we will get? We will get here the Y, right? Now the B X is equals to B complement C. This term is what? B complement C. Here, this term is B complement D. This term is B complement D. Both are added